Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method, what you have to do is to check the system requirements of the game. So before you play the game, you have to check the system requirements. So after searching for the game on Steam, if you are playing the game on Steam, you just have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Both minimum as well as recommended requirements are mentioned over here. Before you launch the game, make sure your PC have all of these specs and after that launch the game and check. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it, and once the game files are verified, after that launch the game and check. Next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for a device manager. After that, here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link that I have already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to run the game from installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to first select the game, double click on it or simply right click on it and then click on run as administrator. Now check if the game is launching or opening or not. But if the issue still continues, you should run the game as administrators. For that, select the game, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here you have to select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or previous version, hit on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If the issue continues again and again, so you have to come back, uncheck all of this, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. So for that you have to go to the search option, search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. After that, here you have to click on change settings and then search for the game whether it's listed or not. Well, if you cannot find the game, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, here you have to select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and after that click on OK. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then check if the game is launching or opening or not. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings, after that click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where a game has been installed. After select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size, you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So make sure Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. After that, here you have to click on check for updates option. This will check if any update is available and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, here you have to go below. From here you have to select and click on the link. This will download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to click on it and open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it. Click on yes. Now wait for some time and once you get set up successful message, close this. After that, you have to restart your PC and once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. Next is to delete temp files. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type %temp%. Press enter and whatever the temp files you can see, simply select all and after that click on the delete option. Once the temp files are deleted, now try to launch the game. Click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not. Next is to check whether the game is installed on SSD or not. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then you are suggested to check and install the game on SSD. For that, you can easily check it. Go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, here you have to click on storage, and here you will find whether the game is installed on SSD or on other drive. So if the game is installed on any other drive, you have to select it and then click on move option. Now after you have moved the game to SSD, install it and then try to play the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. Next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. If there is third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA, Shadowplay, MS Afterburner or others, then you are suggested to disable it, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to run Steam as admin. So if the issue still continues, you can close Steam, and after that search for the Steam option over here, and here you have to click on run as administrator. So after that, try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, from here you have to select it, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues even after following all the methods, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall, again click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from PC. After that, you have to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon. After that, click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam, log into it, and again reinstall Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands game, and then click on the play button to check if the game is opening or not. So these are few solutions suggested to fix Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.